How to remove app data from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to iPhone Storage as shown. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Now, scroll down and tap on the app you want to offload from here. Then, tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again to confirm. Offloading will free up storage used by this app but keep its documents and data. You can also tap on Delete App if you want to delete the app instead. This will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily remove app data from iPhone.